Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. Today I have again joined our Facebook group Collab, and the theme for this week is Groundhog Day. The theme was relatively open as far as the designs on our nails. If we didn't have a groundhog design, then we could just do kind of like a spring or winter manicure, since that's what a groundhog symbolizes. If the winter will be lasting a little longer, or if spring is coming and the weather will be getting warmer. I hope you will enjoy my manicure that I created for this collab, and if you do like nail art tutorial videos as well, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope that you will like what you see on my channel, and if you do, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will link for you everything in the description box, so you will find all the video links to the other ladies' tutorials there, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures, so definitely stay tuned till the very end. I apologize about my voice. I guess it just wants me to stop talking, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you so much guys for being here today and for all your support. Continue watching the nail art tutorial portion, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.